Oh, they jamming down there. Hey, boy, you finna get me in my rhythm. Hold on. Hey. The law one, y'all. He probably just in law school to get you, make you not pull him over. So, good tactic. While you're a license plate, say veteran, or law school, Harvard. Taquachica. Sikemaka. Órale, wey, my name is Edgar. For the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. Órale, güey. Ay, ay. Monstrous. Oh, that's a ZL1. Two-tone ZL1. Had a sale on half wrap. Hey, Way, since you don't have enough money, Way, I'll wrap half of your car, Way. You don't even have to do the whole thing, ho. Just do half. Alright, Way. I'll do half of it. And when you come pay, I'll put this black line right here in the middle. And when you pay for the rest, I'll put the rest, Way. Órale, órale. If you want to give me half down, I'm only going to do half of the job, mijo. Oh, my bad. And he lost. I thought he was going to win. I was thinking, well, he probably spent the other half of his money in the motor and half on the route. But I see I wasn't correct. He could have put half on some tires. Dale, mijo. Lane goose in the gas. Hey, trying to see what you wanna do, what you wanna do. Let's go back here and see what else do we have here tonight. We have a couple of people here tonight filming a couple of races. Uh-oh. Got my boy back up in the Regal. Where's Trina at? I don't know. Bag it straight up.